Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Greenworks battery not charging, blinking red light and power reset guide. So fix 1 is reset the Greenworks battery. Remove the battery from the charger and the tool, then wait for about 5 to 10 minutes, then press and hold the battery indicator button for 10 to 15 seconds. Reconnect the battery to the charger and check if charging starts normally. Second fix is check the charger connection. Unplug the charger from the wall outlet, then inspect the charger cable to damage or lose connection. Plug the charger directly into a wall working outlet, then insert the battery and watch the charging light. Third fix is clean the battery contact. Remove the battery from the charger, then check the metal terminal on both the battery and charger. Use a dry cloth or cotton swab to remove dirt, dust or corrosion. Reconnect the battery and test charging again. Fourth one is allow an overheated battery to cool. Remove the battery from the charger, then place it in a room temperature area for 30 to 60 minutes. Avoid direct sunlight or freezing temperature. Try charging the battery again. Thanks for watching.